Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to be making another cool art animation for you guys. So let's go ahead and create. Next, we're going to go to Paint, and if you're new to Scratch, you can just follow along. Maybe you can slow down the video a bit. So I'm going to make an orange cat. So it's going to be light orange. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see it. So first I'm going to draw a circle. So this circle, after this circle, I'm going to be drawing a line like ears. I'm going to be drawing ears. So after we got this thing, we can draw a line. So I'm going to draw a line from here and then go back. So we're going to do the same thing with this. Okay, now we got the ears. We can add the inside details. So I'm going to be adding these ear details that are really cute. So and now let's just fill them in. I'm sure it'll fill in. So let me just make some adjustments, adjust some stuff. And yeah, this is perfectly good. Just making sure we are good to go. So I made this. Okay, there we go. Now let's put this on the front layer. So then let's check if we can fill it in. Yes, we can, except for this one. We gotta connect that. So I'm going to make this a little thicker. And I'm gonna make this a little thicker. So you can see it. Can you see it? Can you see it? Like, see it? Okay, there we go. Now it's filling in. Uh-oh. The whole thing is filling in. We gotta make some corrections on this side. So let's add this. And now let's see if it works. No, okay. I'm going to do something about this. So I'm going to color this part beige-ish. I don't know if this is beige or is this a different color. So and if you want, you can put the inside pink. I'm going to be putting pink. I'm going to color this in because it's not coming and I'm kind of frustrated. So anyways, let's draw this ear part. Oh, oops, it's hard with my mouse. You know what? I'm gonna use a stick. So it's not called a stick, it's called a line tool. So I'm just gonna draw. Oh, and it's actually coming out really good. That's how I want it to be. Okay, now let's fill this in. There we go, that's better. Okay, now we filled it in. Now I think I'm going to raise these a little bit higher. Actually, no, I don't want to raise it higher. So we got the kitty head. Now we got to draw the eyes. They're going to be dwarves. So I'm going to draw a black circle with a circle tool. Put it here. Then go to the mouse tool, copy and paste and put it there. I think we should put this a little further. Okay, there we go. Now we got our eyes. Next, let's add the white parts. So I'm going to be adding a big circle. Big. It's supposed to be big because it's gonna be cute. Yep, it's gonna be cute. Like I always wanted to be. So I'm going to add the pupils. These are pupils or what? And to make it a girl, of course, I'm going to make it a girl kitty. Because why not? Okay, I added the eyelashes and now let's go close enough because I'm gonna make a tiny heart nose. And I'm gonna add a cute little smile, and even if I want, I can make it big open mouth. It's not exactly big, but I just made it. Oh no, why is it black? Poor little kitty. Okay, now I'm going to, oh my God, Under eye. Okay, I'm good. I filled it in. Maybe I should go with a darker color. Okay, I'm going to trace over. This thing, I don't know why I should have just redrawn it, but I didn't want to like mess this up, so I decided to do it like that. Do it. Okay, front. No way, no. Yeah, that's better. Okay, I can barely see it. Let me fill it in again, but in a darker color. There we go. I can see it now. Okay, so we got the kitty. And this is the kitty head. So let's add some cute music. I'm going to add loops. Let's see. I'm going to add dance magic. So we're going to play this forever and it's gonna do some gliding effects. Because why not gliding effects? I like doing gliding effects. You glide from here to there. So there we go. And I don't know why I just made a head, but I'm good at making heads. It looks good. Let me add a backdrop. All I have to do is add a backdrop. There we go. We got our cute little kitty. Let's watch it. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell if you want to see more of my amazing projects. I'm so happy I was able to do a tutorial. Okay, let's check out the studio. What is this studio? Oh, that is a rectangular prism, not a cube. But that kind of looks good though. Yes, it does. It looks so 3D. I'm gonna follow it. As you can see, this studio has already had lots of comments. Wonder who made this studio. I mean, let's go back to it. Wait, let's check the curators, managers. Oh, is this person? He made it. Oh, now I get it. So, yeah, guys, don't forget to check out the other projects too. And yeah, I can't wait for you to check out my next project. Bye. Why am I making my mouth so big? Okay. Okay, bye guys.